If you want to learn digital marketing and also you want to make money with it, you are exactly in the right place. By the end of this course, you will become a professional marketer and also you will be able to sell any product online. You can start making money as a freelancer if you like to, or you can start your own social media marketing agency, find valuable clients, learn how you can convince them and sign contract with them and get paid monthly. We'll talk about all these strategies along the course. Inside the course, you will learn how to do marketing and advertisement on different platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, and more channels. Beside that, you will also learn how to create an advanced website with low budget, how to create an online store and sell any product online, how to rank higher in search engines like Google, how to capture email leads, do email marketing and sell your product or any other product using email marketing, copywriting, website optimization, Google Ads, Google Analytics, and much more. So why you should join this course? Beside all the things that I mentioned, you will also receive an advanced VIP support personally from me, meaning that if you needed my help or if you had any questions, I will respond to you under 12 hours. We can have one-on-one chat on private message on Udemy, or also you can send me direct messages on Instagram and we can have a voice chat. In addition, we have weekly VIP live calls where we talk about new updates in marketing, business, and entrepreneurship mindset. You will also receive a group support from other students like you and other professional marketers in the same group with more than 3,000 members. If still you are not convinced that this is the best course for you, please go ahead, read the thousands of reviews that the students wrote not only for this course, but for all of my courses, and see how happy they are with the result that they have received, with the quality of the course and the valuable information inside it, with the support that I gave them personally, and a lot of other things. This course is covered by 30 days money back guarantee, meaning if during the first 30 days you didn't want the course for any reason, you can send a refund request and receive 100% of your money back, no question asked. Also, by the end of the course, you will receive your certificate. Join the course and use the discount that exists today before it ends. Don't miss out, because you cannot find all this valuable information anywhere online. I'm Pouya, your mentor and your friend, and this is our VIP Digital Marketing Master Course. See you on the next video.